Good afternoon, diecast collectors. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris from CRA Diecast with another unboxing today. Today I've got a 9-pack of Matchbox cars, and it's a copyright 2021, and it's got some very nice cars in there, so I'll just show you. It's got a little Nissan Leaf, this nice little truck, that Porsche Panamera, Jaguar E-Type, this Austin Healey, there's some sort of fire truck, a Jeep, and then this Sky Tracker truck. So pop those out. There's only about 5 on there that really interest me, and that's that little truck, the Austin Healey, the Jag of course, the Porsche, and maybe that Sky Tracker. So we'll pop them out and have a look. First up is this 1955 Ford panel delivery in Shell Motor Oil graphics. It's metal body and plastic base as usual, and I think the red pieces on the side are plastic as well, but it does look quite nice. Haven't seen this casting before, so it's really an unusual piece. Fairly well tempered, not over the top. Underneath, just plastic base. Copyright 2021. But looks nice with those little dog dish hubcaps. And next up is something called a Ridge Raider in sort of a flat red. So give that a look in. One of these sort of fantasy cars, not really that keen on them, but it was in the pack, so I have to take it. It's got plastic tyres and some spare tyres mounted in the rear tray. Lots of racing decals. It's like one of these Baja races in the desert. And it's also got plastic base, sort of okay details underneath. Tow hook at the back. The next one's a Chevy Silverado 4x4. And this has got a copyright of 1998, so it's been around a while. It's a real high rider. Big off-road wheels on it. Black paintwork with reddish sort of stripes on it. Blue tinted glass. No tampos on the front or rear. Just a little bit of a Chevy badge on the front end. Wheels look pretty nice. Chrome, multi-spoke. So, looks quite nice. And the next one is something looks like a Jeep, but it's called a Cliffhanger. Never heard of it before, but it's tiny. It's in a little olive paintwork. Got rolled bars in the back. Spare tyre on the tailgate. No tampos front or rear, just a 4x4 tampo on the rear fenders. Paintwork looks a bit strange. It's got irregularities on the hood. And the next one is a Freightliner fire truck. Copyright 2015, so this has been around a while as well. There it is in all its red glory. Nice dog dish hubcaps. Metal cab and then plastic tank on the rear portion of the truck. No tampos on the front or rear. That's something I'm not really interested in, but it was in the pack, so I had to have it. And the next one is the exclusive casting for this box, 2018 Nissan Leaf in metallic blue. Got nicely tempered headlamps, a little Toyota badge in the grille, Toyota badge on the rear deck lid, black panel for the roof. Yeah, this is going to get a bit of paint rash later as well, you can tell. Nice big rear view mirrors, tampoed tail lamps, little number plate in the rear boot lid. But not really into these EV vehicles. And the next one is really nice, a 1963 Austin Healey in metallic green and white. Now that looks really nice. It's got nicely tampoed headlamps, nice grille work. Love those Matchbox wheels. No tampos on the rear. That looks nice in that green and white two-tone. And that's metal body and plastic base as well. And then the next one is a Porsche Panamera from 2010 in yellow. And that looks nice with the 5-spoke black rims. It's got nicely tampoed headlamps, a nice little Porsche logo on the front end, tampoed rear tail lamps with a Porsche script on the tailgate, and some number plate details on the rear, and some tampoed turn signals or driving lights up below the bumper. But yeah, it looks nice. It's a recolor. I've got a couple versions of this, and this looks pretty stunning in the yellow and black. It's nice to add to the growing Porsche collection. And finally, a 1961 Jaguar E-Type Coupe in pale blue. And I haven't had any of these castings before, so I really got this whole box just to get this one vehicle, but it's really nice. So I'll show you that one. There it is. Nicely tampoed headlamps, tampos on the rear tail lamps, nice little Jaguar script on the number plate, nice chrome bumpers and nice little chrome Jaguar insert in the grille. This one's got a chrome interior. It certainly looks really nice. I'm glad to have this one, my first E-Type, and this would be the pick of the bunch for me. Stunning looking car. You can see all the gauges on the dash. So a big shout out to my new subscribers. I've had a few in the last couple of days, so really appreciate your support. And that's it for today. If you enjoy this little video, hit the thumbs up and share and subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber, it really helps the channel. And I'll catch you on a future video. I've got a few Biantis to show in my next video, so that'll be interesting. All Aussie cars, so we'll see you then, and bye for now. Before I go, I'll just do a quick review. So the standouts for me is this Jag, the Porsche, the Austin Healey. Not a fan of the blue one or the trucks, but I really quite like that Ford panel delivery truck as well. So once again, thank you very much, and cheers for now.